Bob Liu from Barwon Investment Partners. Welcome to the Alternatives Symposium.
Thanks, Drew. Excited to be here.
Can you expand on the basic premise of the listed private equity strategy?
Our listed private equity strategy is really designed to offer investors access to a global private equity portfolio. But the key differentiator is that it offers liquidity. We're daily dealing.
And what are some of the key benefits of approaching private equity this way compared to other alternatives?
Well, the traditional private equity structure is an unlisted partnership. And that requires big minimum ticket sizes, long lockups, and partly paid units in an offshore partnership. By investing in listed private equity, you're essentially able to access a ready-baked, seasoned private equity portfolio that's diversified by geography, managers, and vintage year.
And what pain points are you seeking to solve for advisors in offering this listed strategy?
The key pain points are that access. So certain managers, many managers, particularly the top private equity managers, have limited access to their funds. The second pain point is liquidity. We're daily pricing and accept applications and redemptions daily. And so advisors are able to invest, adjust, and indeed, if necessary, exit their investment when they require. And then finally, it's really about that capital deployment. You're able to gain a global private equity portfolio exposure, fully invested from day one.
And what does the universe of underlying investments look like?
The universe of listed private equity is about 750 stocks and almost $3 trillion US market cap globally. It spans private equity, it spans private credit, and also the alternative asset managers which participate in the fee generation of the management of the alternative assets.
Where do you see this strategy sitting within a traditional balanced portfolio?
Well, our clients use our product, the listed private equity fund, either as a substitute for private equity exposure or as a niche global equity strategy.
And could you expand on one of the highest conviction ideas in your portfolio?
Well, one of our highest conviction ideas in the portfolio at the moment is an American listed private equity stock called Compass Diversified Holdings. It's a generic name, but there are 9 very exciting private equity businesses within its portfolio. It's in our view, one of the best performing mid-market American private equity teams, but undiscovered by the rest of the market. Their portfolio is concentrated in niche consumer names, which have performed extraordinarily well over COVID, but have a very loyal customer base and make highly specialized consumer products, which we think will be resilient regardless of economic conditions going forward. The stock has been weak this year, and it trades at about half the public market valuation multiples, but continues to deliver double-digit earnings growth.
Bob Liu, thank you.
Thank you.